Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna explain Zoek, tweeted by many as this year #1 growth marketing agency. So we're gonna review this website, dive into these features, the pricing, and the pros and cons about this powerful website called Zoek. So think of Zoek marketing as a team of expert helper for business online. They were really good at digital marketing, which is like advertising and getting customers through the internet. One big thing they do is the SEO. That's like making sure when people search online for something, a business offer, that business show up near the top of the list. So Zoek help businesses get seen by more people online so they can grow. They know a lot about internet work for businesses. Now, I'm talking about the key features about this platform. What makes Zoek special is they have some really helpful tools and service that can make a big difference for business trying to grow online. And here are some of the best things Zoek can do for you and your business. One of these is the website design. It can also be good in this part of retail and e-commerce, a web management, a website accessibility, and a social media management. So talking about the pros and cons, it is good to understand the advantages, the good part and the bad side of a particular platform before decide if it's the best for you. So talking about the pros, which is the advantages, it's almost a comprehensive service and a focus on growth. It's also focused on the expert team and tailor solution, which is emphasized on accessibility. Talking about the downside, which is the bad side of this platform, the pricing can be a barrier. Results take time and less transparency in a lower tier. The potential for overwhelms relies on agency. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website.